Sure. Holy cow. There's another one. Nice.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
For what?
Mystery tackle box.
I'm gonna have to speak up just a little bit because it's a
I'm
little
ready.
windy.
I'm ready for mystery tackle box.
Mystery tackle box. All right. Just got it in the mail today, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Give her an open. Let's see what we got. This will be October's mystery tackle
Yeah.
box. Hold that.
October 9th.
Is today the 9th? I think
Yeah.
it's the 8th.
No, it's October 9th.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I don't know.
It's October 9th.
No, Uncle Lou, you're right. It's October 8th. Because at school, we do the calendar board and it knows everything, so it even knows about the day.
So it's October 8th? Because you did the calendar thing today at school? All right. Thank you, Jacob.
Every day.
Every day you do it? So you're sure today is October 8th?
Yeah.
All right. Today's October 8th. Jacob said so. All right. Ready? Here we go. That's a sweet sticker.
Can I put that on my folder?
I don't know. Go show them. Make sure it focuses. Does it focus on it? You gotta put it like right in the middle. Hold it right there. Don't touch. Don't move it. Boom. All right.
Got something
Pretty cool
else?
sticker. All right. Let's see. Here's the what's in your box. You gonna read them?
Yep.
Okay. Got the bass dibble too. All right. Go. What's the first one?
YUM money minnow.
What's YUM spell?
Yum.
Yum money minnow. How much is it?
It's $9.59.
$9.59 for the Yum Money Minnow. That's cool. It's like a shad color. Pearl. It's pearl color.
Hey, Dad, you dropped something.
I know. Little swim bait from Yum. $9.59 for those. There's 5 of them.
Next one is Z-Man Sling Blade Spinnerbait.
Z-Man Sling Blade
It's
Spinnerbait. Ooh.
$7.99.
$7.99. Half ounce. Double willow leaf. Spinnerbait. You know what? I bet you them Yum Money Minnows will look good on the back of that. Maybe you gotta cut the head off or something though. It's a nice spinnerbait. How much was that?
$9.70. I mean, $7.99.
$7.99. All right, what's next?
Hyperlastics Dart Spin.
Hyperlastics
$6.99.
Dart Spin. That's that. Wow, I don't know what that is. 5.5 inch Hyperlastic Soft Touch Dart Spin. So basically it's a spinner bait, or a swim bait with a willow leaf spinner on the back. Huh. Never seen such a thing. See the willow leaf there? But it doesn't have a swim bait tail. That's cool. How much is that?
It's $6.99.
$6.99 for 2 of them.
Next one is the Cotton Cordell Big O. $6.49.
Cotton Cordell, medium diver, Big O. What color is that? blue chartreuse, a little bit of orange on the bottom. Cool little crankbait. How much is that? $6.49.
Yep.
Okay, what's next?
Next one is the 10,000 fish shimmer swimmer.
Shimmer swimmer.
$5.29.
Ooh, those look cool. Enhanced with ultra reflective strobe strips. 3.5 inch. Those are cool looking swim baits. There's 4 of them. How much is that?
It's
$5.29.
$5.29. Yeah.
And the color is glass. It might be hard for you guys to see that. Yeah, let's try to. That's a pretty cool looking bait, Joe.
I don't know.
It's got that little reflective piece in there.
I'm liking this so far.
I'm
We
liking
only
that.
have one more.
It's a clear bait, but it's got that little flashy piece in there. Interesting.
Next one is
Hold on, I'm looking at this thing. That's pretty sweet.
okay.
Man, those feel good too.
I know, but they're easy to break.
I don't know. These might not be as easy to break as you think.
A
Seems
little.
pretty durable.
Yeah.
All right, those are $5.29. Yep. All right, last one.
Sweet Spot tackle shooter.
Sweet Spot tackle shooter.
$3.99.
The tackle shooter.
Yeah, that's what it says.
$3.99. Sweet Spot tackle shooter. $3.99. That's a pretty cool color. Red with blue flake in it. You can't really see the blue flake, but a lot of blue flake in that. How much is those?
They're $3.99.
Looks like we got 7 of them. That's not a bad box, Joe.
I know, I love it.
You love this one?
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite out of those?
Mine is the Z-Man Sling Bait spinner bait.
The spinner bait? Come here, Sam and Jacob. Which one's your favorite out of those?
You can read from this or just see.
You gotta turn around so the camera can see you, dude.
This one,
Pick it up. Which one's that?
the
Sweet Spot?
yeah.
Tackle shooter? Which one's yours, Jacob?
Wait, no, mine is the Hyperlastic Dart Spin.
Because I know what
Dartsman.
these
Yeah.
are.
Which one's your favorite, though? These ones are your favorite?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Because guess what?
What?
Because I know what those things are inside of.
What is
Well,
it?
don't you like the sticker?
They're like little fishes.
It looks like a little fish.
They are.
Kinda, yeah. Real shiny. All right.
We get
well,
funny
That's not a bad
things
box.
that are
Here, you
here.
gotta turn around. They can't see it. See the little thing there?
Yeah, I
It's showing your picture. Stand back here.
Get back
Yeah, there you go. Come sit back here. There you go. Can they see you, Joe? All right.
I don't got my thing.
No, I got it. It's fine. Well, that's not a bad box.
Yeah.
I'm not I'm not excited about the medium diver. The crankbait. Who knows? It might work, but I doubt it will.
Hey guys, it's time to go wild.
It's-
You wanna go wild?
No, we're not gonna go wild
Yeah,
yet.
I'm gonna go.
Hey,
I'm
give me
gonna
that
wild.
sticker. I'm gonna put it on my truck.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
That's good. It's not a bad box. So this is the October mystery
I'm gonna put it
tackle
on the
box. This is October mystery tackle box. We should have the lucky tackle box coming, right? In a couple days. So we appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video if you wouldn't mind doing so. We greatly appreciate it.
Hey, what about your truck? Are we going to clean it?
Well, I already cleaned it a little bit. Just got back from a hunting trip in Michigan with my brother, which is these guys' dad. We were up there for 10 days hunting for grouse and woodcock with our dogs, English
We
setters.
know that.
Yeah, you know that, but you think I'm gonna hit you? You know that, but they don't know that.
Yeah.
So we spent 10 days up there in Mile, Michigan. We got quite a few birds. It was a good trip.
We got 150.
And my dad and his buddy are still up there hunting, so hopefully they'll get some more birds that we can munch on when they get back. All right. Anything you guys want to say to the camera? Anything nice
Yeah.
you want to say?
Yeah.
What?
I'm saying something nice to Joey that is a good character.
Joey's a good character?
No,
What? Oh.
that.
Okay,
Yeah.
moving on. All right. Again, thank you guys for
I
watching.
have something to say.
Okay.
I just moved into first grade.
Yep.
And I'm in second.
Sam's in second. And Jake.
I got it!
Kim's right. Yep, they're a wild bunch. All right, thank you guys for watching. That's all we got.
Go!